But tonight, I'm going to let you see what Ilaheva and Tangaloa are going to do tonight. Thank you.
Many ages ago, before the word Christ was ever spoken, before Paula sailed over the horizon, even before the coronation of the first Tonga, there was only skies and ocean, endless blue. So I sent my son Tangaloa to see what he could find.
Tonga Ilaheva Vaipopua of the Fine o Seketoa. I am Ilaheva of Vaipopua, daughter of Seketoa, the man who became a fish. If you throw kava into the ocean, you will attract the suckerfish, which will attract my father, the shark god.
I have never seen anything in the heavens as beautiful as this woman on the beach. So I climbed down the trunk of the door that stretches between heaven and earth.
gentlemen, please give a warm thank you to Miss Loketi Latu, the Contemporary Pacific Arts, all the way from Melbourne. I think we're going to use these guys to hold the Tongan flag for the Commonwealth Games down on the Gold Coast. Pita was awesome, but these guys are going to take it to a whole other level.